accept us as you find us with a love so wide and free. We are understood completely, we are named and fully known. In your welcome is a promise we will never be alone. As you love us in the present, you invite us to unfold, to evolve in our compassion, to develop, to behold. You delight in our maturing. As we change, you lead the way. In our struggles, in our wonder, you are with us every day. God of challenge and acceptance, call us forward, draw us near. May we love as you have loved us, full of joy and free of fear. May your holy recognition help us know that we are whole in our being and becoming as we live your sacred goal.